Hello, today we'll show you how to replace the AirPod cushions on these very expensive V-Moda Crossfade 3 wireless headphones. This guide is useful if you want to change your old AirPods for new ones, or if you simply want to remove the AirPods, clean your headphones and then put AirPods back on. To remove the AirPods you need to pull them away from the side and remove the same pad. This way you can remove both AirPods. They are attached to the headphone's body with small plastic hooks that catch the edge of the AirPod. To put the AirPod back on, place the side with the seam down on the headphone's body, pushing the pad top edge into a few hooks. Then press and slide the remaining edge of the AirPod behind these plastic hooks until the AirPod is fully secured. Do the same for the other air cushion. That's all. This simple method lets you easily refresh your V-Moda headphones with new AirPod cushions, saving you from having to buy new headphones. Good luck!